All right, are you ready for the answer for this challenge? Now, we know that we firstly need to include a header and a footer. So let's head into this compose.ejs page, which is currently empty, and add in those partials, the header and footer. And again, to save time, I'm just going to copy and paste this over here, but you should try and type it out if you have the time. Now, inside here, instead of having an H1 that says home, it's going to be an H1 that says compose. And we don't have a paragraph tag. Instead, we want an input that's of type text. And I'm going to leave the name to be blank for now, but I'm going to delete this value over here. And the other element we need is a button element. And its type is going to be of type submit, so that when we click on it, our form gets submitted. So later on, when we create a form around this and when we click on this button, it'll submit our form. And in between our tags, we're going to give our button a title of publish. So now if we hit save, this is still not enough to render our compose page. Remember, if we want to be able to reach it through our server, then we need to add a get method. So app.get, when people are trying to get or reach /compose, we're going to respond with res.render, the compose page, and we're not going to pass over any data for this page. So now if we hit save and we refresh our website, we should be able to head over to home. And if we change the URL to compose, then that should take us to our compose page with our H1, our text input, and our button.